So how to lose that arm fat. I'm still struggling with it, but my arms has been slimming down compared. If you see my old videos, old pictures, it has been getting smaller. And I want to give you some tips on what I've been doing in the gym. But before I give you my tips and these exercises, none of this will work if you're not consistent and you're not eating a calorie deficit. So all these exercises are not going to work if you're overeating and you're not consistent. So I had to throw that out there before I show you guys this video. And also, don't judge me because I don't know any of the names. None of these workouts I know the names of. I just know what the benefit. And like I said, just follow me. Just do what I do. This is one of my favorite machines that's going to help with that back of the arms, the sagging arms. This is the perfect machine for that. And I like to do this thing where I up every rep. I up the weights. That makes sense. So I'm starting off light. So this is about 30 pounds. You see I'm doing it with ease. And I'm actually going too fast. I prefer going slow. So if you're going to use this machine, go slowly. I feel like I'm doing it too fast. I guess my adrenaline was going high. But anyway, so you want a slow movement. And every exercise you see throughout this video is going to be 3 sets of 15. 3 reps of, you know what I mean. And as you see right now, I am making this a little heavier because I was going too fast. And now this is 40 pounds and it is not the easiest for me, but I feel like it's manageable. And this is the pace that you should be doing when you're using any machine. Any machine you do, you want to move slowly. And I'm taking a little pause. I'm trying to catch my breath. This is not easy. This machine is not easy, but I feel like I'm accomplishing so much when I'm doing this one. This machine is actually a bonus. This works out your back and your arms, but mainly your back. I'm just showing you this exercise because this gives an option, and it's actually one of my favorite machines. I know the other one was my favorite machine. This one as well. Now, let's talk about this room. I love this room. This little bench is heavy. I didn't think it would be as heavy as you see. A little struggle trying to pull it over. It's so funny. But we're going to do some exercises on this bench. All you need a dumbbell or even this is a kettlebell. You can do a dumbbell or kettlebell to do this exercise. This is another favorite exercise to do. And you actually can do this at home. You can do it on a couch. You can do it on your bed. That's why I decided to use this bench to show. But you can do it at home. And this exercise is a struggle too. This is a struggle. And I'm only lifting about 10 pounds, but I feel like a lot. And then, like I said, I'm doing 3 sets of 15. Everything that you see is going to be 15 sets, 15 reps. You know what I mean. So now we're about to lay down and we're going to do some more. I do not know any of these names, but I know the benefit. That's all that matters, right? So we're going to do some more of these exercises. This is for your chest and arms, if I'm not mistaken. When I mean, you'll be on fire. Like your arms will be on fire once you're done all these sets. And I forgot to mention that when I go into this room, especially if the gym is packed like usual, the gym is always packed. I like to go in this room, do my own little thing in my own little world. But also I do a circuit. You see, I'm taking a break right now. But I'm going to get back in there and I'm going to do that whole circuit. Everything that you saw, I'm going to do it again. I try to minimize my breaks. I like to go straight to the next workout. But if I have to take a break, of course, I'm going to listen to my body. And another thing that really helps me is listen to a playlist. Listen to a playlist that's going to get you in the mood to work out, get you in a happy mood. You know what I mean? And listen to the playlist. It makes you forget the time and it makes you forget how many reps you already have done. I'm telling you, try it. Just listen to some music and I sing along. But mind you, I'm losing track of time, but I'm getting the work in. That's all that matters. And as you see, I'm taking another break, but look, I'm getting right back into it. And we're doing these arm raises. I'm assuming that's the name of it because that's what, like I said, I don't know the names. Don't judge me. But that is it on my workout. I could do a part 2 if you have found this interesting. And yeah, leave a comment below.